OMG, what was the top on 3/30/2022? It was so incredible. There are no words that can express. When before you ever get to the very first of the top, and your mind is thinking on keeping it positive and not let any bad situations keep you from knowing, you got this. It's your time. You use faith, hope, dreams, whatever they are for you. When you know it's your time and things get thrown at you and you made a plan and had to make a new plan, you're like, it's right there. You have tried several new plans because if one didn't work, you let it go and did not let it bother you. When finally the next plan you made got you to your first layer of the top. Onpassive has just laid out its first top on Wednesday, 3/30/2022. When you have seen a way to help humanity rolled out in Onpassive, known as Bless, is that is just one tiny part of Onpassive. It is a true shift in the world using artificial intelligence. We are the new internet. When you have seen a video that made you cry. The second top of Onpassive rolled out for the marketing campaigns. Having Onpassive in Dubai and owning 2 floors of the highest building. Floor number 134 and 151. So are you ready to get your first top with a company that has hearts and helps you to go to your next top? I was blessed and honored to be at this event. I was so excited to hug and meet some amazing founders to join in this incredible feeling along with the CEO, Mr. Ash Mafar. It was like nothing I have ever experienced, meeting founders which are family, whom I have only seen on webinars, and experience our growth together. Help humanity to hug and share special moments. To meet Mr. Ash Mafar, a man who has put his emotion into motion to make our world a better place. A man that is family to truly listens to you when you talk, who is so respectful. He is loving and giving of his heart. I was so blessed and honored to be able to share these special moments live in Boston with the CEO, Mr. Ash Mafar, and 20 others. Ash made our shared moments of knowing each other extra special with the Ash Mafar way. He gives us extraordinary experiences you will never forget. There are no words to explain Mr. Ash Mafar and his wife and family. It is all driven by a higher power, knowing our world needs help right now. So are you ready to get your first top with Onpassive, a company with heart, and help you go to your next top? Life-changing for you and the world. Thank you, Bill Must, for all that you do for me and so many. A very special thanks to Mr. Ash Mafar and wife and family, all the tech team, all staff at all Dubai, and all that do behind the curtain and all Leadership Council and founders. Sherry Derseweh, and I am a proud founder since 8/2/2018.